Okay, hi, I'm Jeremy. Javier. We're from Battle of the Ages. We're from the Friday with Nathan thing on CCCX7. So anyway, okay, here we go.
We're gonna blow up some bottles, man.
No, not really blow up bottles. We're just gonna do soda. Okay.
We're gonna make a chemical reaction. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. So so far we put the trigger pin in and filled it with soda. Now we got 7 Mentos. 2, 4, 6, 7. We're gonna put it in. The whole point of the trigger is to basically, so it won't go in. You gotta wait. Okay. My assistant Javier will put them in.
Noodles. AIDS. 2, 3, man.
Do it in Spanish. Do it in Spanish.
We're originally supposed to use a 2-liter soda bottle, but my mom won't let me use it. So
My mom.
okay, we gotta replace the cap.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna do it.
Now, Samantha, our other assistant, will be allowed to pull the string. And on the count of 3, everyone run. Okay? 1! No, wait, no, wait. Okay. All right, Sammy, when you're ready. 1, 2, 3, go! What the heck? No! This was bogus!
We need more soda.
I didn't do anything. I was supposed to do a chemical reaction.
What is a chemical reaction, friends?
This is
Wait,
good.
it's bubbling.
Oh, it's bubbling.
I'm gonna kick it. Kick it. Want me to kick it?
Maybe it'll take a little more time. It is fuzzing.
Yeah. If it's just gradually gonna go up, I'm gonna kick it.
Okay. Oh. I know why it's not working.
Why?
Maybe we did a step wrong.
Wait,
All right.
I'm gonna kick it!
wait. Did we need?
No, don't kick it.
Did we need a full?
Oh, my eyes! My eyes!
Oh, why'd you do that?
Dude,
Are you kidding me? We were gonna use the Mentos. Why'd you kick it? Come on, dude. Seriously?
One Mentos.
Yeah, but you just wasted all the soda. Now we gotta start all over.
You want my money, dude? You want my money?
Come on, Hallam, don't do that. It won't work.
Because the Mentos.